Welcome back to MacPhee Ford. Today we're going to be taking a look at this 2020 Ford F-150 XLT with the Sport Appearance Package. This F-150 does come equipped with remote start. You get molded running boards along the side here, remote entry keypad, fully adjustable heated and seats, both passenger and driver. Mirror controls, your adjustable foot pedal controls over here, as well as your interior lighting. You've got your Sport Appearance dash here, so you've got your Sport badge just in the RPM gauge there. Various menu settings. This is equipped with Sync 3, so you've got your audio, phone, apps, and various other controls here. 2 high, 4 high, and 4 low, and your trailer backup assist. Climate controls are just down here with your heated seats. Auto dimming rear view mirror up top here. And then the interior of this is just as nice. You've got red leather stitching everywhere, so on the center console and on the gear knob. And you've got Sport stitched into the seats here with your red seat belts as well. You notice the decal running down the side of the truck here. And then coming to the back, you've got your tailgate here. Tailgate light and your rear view camera. Built-in bed liner with LED box lighting and various hooks. Back of the rear seat now. Same thing with the seats here. You've got Sport stitched into the back and the red seat belts here. The center console consists of a 12-volt charger, 2 USB-A ports, and a household plug just in there. Then you get your nice cloth seating here in the back. Another thing to note about the Sport Appearance, you've got your red outlined F-150 badge here. Really nice. 275/55 20-inch tires on Hancocks here. You've got your nice front grille as well with your LED headlights and fog lights and turn signals. So come on over to MacPhee Ford today. Talk to a sales advisor about getting you into this F-150.